Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to list a product on Amazon. First I'm going to show you how to list it on sellercentral.com and then I'm going to show you how to list it from your phone. So the first thing you want to do is go to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll be on the home page. You're going to hover over these three bars to the left, go to catalog and add products. From here you can type in the UPC, ASIN, or just the generic title of the product. Here we do have a UPC. This is a random toy I have. Please do not go out and buy this. This is not a profitable product. It's just to give you guys an example. So here the product popped up. Next, you're going to select the condition. So we're going to do new, and we're going to hit sell this product. Now for the contribution SKU, this is going to be anything you want it to be. So I usually do the price with the site that you got it from, and then the current date. So here we're gonna do $5. We got from Walmart on February 23rd. Next, you're not gonna need to do the quantity because if you're gonna be doing FBA, if you just select Amazon will ship and provide customer service, all you have to do is just put in the price, say we want $25 and the condition new. And that's all you have to fill out for FBA, and then you scroll down and select save and finish. And within 15 minutes, you'll see that pop up into your inventory. Usually it's quicker than that. But it does take up to 15 minutes to go into your inventory. Now, if you wanted to do merchant fulfilled, you would just select, I will ship this item myself. And now you do have to put in the quantity. So say we have one, and then here you would do your shipping template. Here we just have the free ship Q4 I have, but I did show you guys how to make templates over in my other YouTube video. So I'll link that below for you guys to check out. But that is it, and you just scroll down, select save and finish. All this extra stuff that you're seeing is just other marketplaces, you know, Italy, Canada, Mexico. I don't sell in any of those, even though if I could. I just stick to the United States, and like I said, just click save and finish, and then that's it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to list a product using the Amazon Seller app. First, we want to open up the Amazon Seller app. Then we're going to go down to add a product. You can either scan the barcode by using the camera at the top right, or click the search bar and type in the product name or ASIN. Here we're going to use the camera. So we're going to push on the camera, and we're going to scan that barcode. It happened really fast. Then you're going to click on sell, and it's going to again take you to that listing we saw online. So just on sellercentral.com, it looks very similar. The only difference is now it's on the mobile app. Now you're going to type in the same details I showed you when listing on the Amazon website. So again, we're gonna do $5 it cost us at Walmart on 2/23/23. And we're gonna go down and select the Amazon will ship. We'll say this is new, and for $25. You'll scroll down and select save and finish. Same thing with FBM, you just switch it to FBM. You say we're gonna do one item. We'll use the shipping template. Scroll down and hit save and finish. If you do sell in other marketplaces, you can add your inventory in this section as well. But for this purpose, we're only doing the United States. And that's going to be it. Now you guys know how to list products either using Amazon's website or their app. If you guys have any further questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.